Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super large lap desk that I think it could be really good for many situations. So, for example, for home office, it could be really good because it is wide and large enough that you can actually use it in your home if you want, like in your desk. You can use it in your bed if you're working from home. You can use it in your couch, but also because you can actually transport it with you on the go and take it with this really nice handle that comes here. I also like the fact that comes right here with this kind of like, it's not memory foam, but it's kind of like a high density foam that is going to be super good for your knees, for example, for your legs, but also one down here that you can actually use it to counterweight the weight of the laptop and the mouse and things like that. And also right here comes with what this one is actually, it is a memory foam right here that comes for your wrist rest. So you can actually put your kind of like your wrist over here and take that advantage of not having that restraint on your wrist. I also like the fact, I'm going to show everything to you in a close up in a few seconds, that comes with this really nice carbon fiber over here, and also a place for your tablet, your phone, and of course if you're kind of like use your mouse with your right hand or your left hand, it has mouse pads on both places. But you can actually put your laptop over here that supports laptops up to 17 inches super comfortably, but also of course 15, 13, and 14 inches as well. Or you can just put the small laptop right here in the middle and have this for a mouse pad and this one for a drink. Something that I do want to say is that this pads over here is kind of like made of leather-ish. So it comes with a glue kind of like underneath it. It comes with a sticky pad. So I would apply, I would do what I did. I would apply some weight. You can put some books like in the first 24 or 48 hours, put some heavy books over here to make it be more attached. And also if you can, if you want, I put up kind of like I would apply some heat down here, not super much, of course, just like a tiny bit of heat with probably like one of those like heat tools or something like that, just to make it to be super glued right here on the corners. Because if it is like a hot environment, it could kind of like be not super attached and maybe a little bit peel. But let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, this is a massive 17.3 inches laptop, and since the whole structure is 27 inches, you can see that I can put this one right here and still have much room right here for my mouse in my right hand. And remember, you can also move this to that side and use the mouse with your left. And right here you're gonna see the wrist rest right here, the wrist pad, which is super foamy. And right here you're gonna put your tablet if you need, and your phone right here. You can put it in portrait position or just use this to put it in landscape position as well. So I think that's also super convenient. Remember, it comes with a handle and the two pads at the bottom so you can actually rest it in your legs. I like this one also with the carbon fiber. Just remember, apply some weight in this area and some heat if you can, so you have kind of like the maximum amount of benefits from the leather pads. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.